There are many kinds of headaches. I'll start from the head and neck. After you press, you should scrape. Not with big, hard strokes. While scraping here, let me explain. Some people have a lump forming here. That means a higher risk of stroke and poor sleep. A big lump forms here. Many people are like this, which means a high chance of stroke. When they lower their head, it pops out, very common. Control your pressure. If they are afraid of pain, go lighter. I'm using more force now. If it hurts, I'll go softer. All this area should be scraped. Should the speed be this fast? If you do it like that, it won't work. I'm not just scraping the skin. I reach the periosteum under the bone. It goes deeper. If it's just the skin, it's like this. Like this, it reaches the periosteum. I'm working over the bone. If there's anything abnormal, I can feel it. Press down, then push. When changing position, don't lift up. I never lift off. Everything I'm saying now relates to headaches. Here you can use more force. This area moves when eating, so it feels a bit sore. Scraping like this makes the patient feel very comfortable. If they are afraid of pain, they'll tell you, then go lighter. Scrape the whole area. For people with headaches or blocked energy, this gives great relief. This is an important part of health maintenance. Work on the whole head. There's no strict direction needed. As long as you know what area you're scraping, that's enough. It's not about the bone's hardness, it's about the texture of the skin and flesh. If the head feels tight and soft, you can use a bit more strength. How do you feel now? Very relaxed. Always start from this area. No need to apply oil. Oil is only needed when scraping the skin. I work deeper, so it's not necessary. It feels strong, but not painful.